Hello friends, how are you all? In this video you will see button craft related video. Overall, button craft is not just a hobby, it's an expressive journey into the world of creativity where even the smallest, most forgotten item can become part of something beautiful. In educational settings, button craft is often used to teach children about color theory, patterns, and counting. It encourages teamwork, storytelling, and design thinking. In adult creative therapy or hobby groups, it offers relaxation and a sense of accomplishment. Each finished piece becomes a personal artifact, a blend of memory, art, and texture. First of all, if you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please do subscribe my channel. Button crafting also bridges generations. Many people recall watching their mothers or grandmothers sew buttons onto clothing, keeping a treasure tin or box full of old pieces. Using these same buttons in a craft gives the project a nostalgic and sentimental value. It becomes more than just a decorative item, it turns into a memory keeper, a way of honoring the past while creating something new. As a form of storytelling, button art allows the crafter to paint without paint, shaping scenes, words, or symbols through careful selection and placement. A tree made from earth toned buttons can represent growth and roots. A heart made from reds and pinks can symbolize love and family. Even abstract arrangements evoke emotions from joy and playfulness to elegance and serenity. Button craft also offer the opportunity to make thoughtful handmade gifts. A name spelled out in buttons and framed for a friend, a button covered notebook for a teacher, or a keychain made with colorful buttons can become cherished keepsakes. Unlike store bought items, these creations reflect time, care, and individuality. In interior design, button crafts can serve as a charming, rustic, or even modern decor. A mirror frame studded with buttons, a button garland across a mantelpiece, or wall art made with coordinated button colors can add texture and personality to any room. Crafters can match color palettes to existing decor or create statement pieces that stand out with flair. Workshops and group crafting events centered around buttons are becoming increasingly popular, especially in community centers, schools, and senior homes. These sessions foster connection and collaboration, allowing people to share ideas, swap materials, and enjoy the simple pleasure of making something together. Ultimately, button crafting teaches an invaluable lesson. Creativity doesn't require expensive tools or complicated materials. With just a handful of buttons and a bit of imagination, anyone can craft something beautiful, meaningful, and uniquely their own.